activating and making the most of your S10pro Wearable Breast Pump. Energize your S10pro Breast Pump. Three lights on, over 100 minutes remaining. High battery, 2 lights on, more than 65 minutes left. Medium battery, 1 light on, exceeds 25 minutes. Low battery, 1 light flashing, over 5 minutes left. Charge soon. Comprehensive setup. Directions for your S10pro Breast Pump. 1. Silicone diaphragm. Start by placing the silicone diaphragm into the 3-way flange. It's important to make sure it clicks into place or feels firmly secured. This step is crucial for the pump's performance as it helps create a proper vacuum. 2. Valve attachment. Next, attach the valve to the same 3-way flange. There's a specific way to do this for it to work correctly, so looking at the assembly video can provide visual guidance to ensure you're aligning everything just right. 3. Flange and container connection. Now, take the flange assembly, which includes the diaphragm and valve you just attached, and connect it to the container. It should fit into a designated slot on the container. Make sure this connection is tight and secure to prevent any leaks during use. 4. Silicone breast shield. Insert the silicone breast shield into the flange. There are grooves on both the shield and the flange that need to align. Once aligned, press the edges of the shield to ensure it's fully sealed. This part is important for your comfort and the efficiency of milk extraction. 5. Pump motor unit. Lastly, attach the pump motor unit to the rest of the assembled parts. This is the brain of the pump, so ensuring a secure and correct connection is essential for the pump to operate effectively. Enhance your use, navigating the S10pro motor unit settings and intensities. The on-off button on the pump motor unit powers the device on with a short press and turns it off with another short press. The S10pro Wearable Breast Pump features 2 modes, expression mode and stimulation mode. Short press M to toggle between expression and stimulation modes. Each mode offers 9 intensity levels. The S10pro Wearable Breast Pump is designed with intentional attributes to ease your pumping process while prioritizing your well-being. Preservation feature. Understanding its operation. This breast pump is furnished with a preservation feature that automatically records your last chosen settings. Thus, when you deactivate the pump and later activate it for your subsequent session, it will continue with the identical modes and intensities for stimulation or expression that you previously used. This advantage removes the burden of repeatedly customizing your favorite modes and intensities for each session, facilitating a more streamlined and hassle-free experience. Automatic power off, enhancing safety and efficacy. For improved safety and to uphold the efficiency of the pump, it is programmed to automatically power off after 20 minutes of uninterrupted use. This automatic power off function is key to avoiding the pitfalls of overpumping in a single session, which can positively impact your comfort and extend the lifespan of the pump. It acts as a gentle reminder for you to take breaks, making sure your pumping sessions are both secure and effective. These elements are integral to the pump's design, aiming for a smooth, productive, and safe pumping experience. Should you have any inquiries or need assistance with your S10pro Breast Pump, please contact TPH Technology. We are dedicated to ensuring your contentment and the exceptional efficacy of our product. Thank you.